This is a Power BI dashboard designed like a system, not just a report. I built a clean star schema and centralized all business logic in a measures table. Each KPI card combines total value, month-over-month comparison, color-coded performance, and a sparkline for instant trend insight. To keep the dashboard clean, I use drill-through and tooltip pages so details appear only when needed. Custom left and top navigation complete the system-style user experience. The result is faster insights, better usability, and an enterprise-grade BI solution.